Vivid Sydney 2025 is here. Actually, it's been here for a few days, and it's more magical than ever. From glowing dreamscapes to mind-blowing projections lighting up the harbour. It can be confusing to find the best installations, but not anymore. In this video, we've captured the very best installations you need to see. We're taking you straight into the heart of it, so hold on tight. Vivid Sydney has been mapped down to different zones shown here, just to make it easy for all of you to navigate and not miss out on any of the attractions and any of the fun. So what was your favorite installation? Drop it in the comments below. Will you be dreaming with us at Vivid Sydney this year?
We got a diner, we got a bar, we got a roller skating rink. It's like literally a party all in one little spot. So we're going full 50s sort of throwback diner menu. We've got your classics, your mac and cheese, your burgers, chicken, smash burgers. We've got chips, we've got milkshakes, we've got booze. So we're going very into that 50s classic diner style, which this is a really family-friendly event. So we wanted to make sure there was something for everyone. And on top of that, make it all plant-based, because why not if we can?
This is the most important part of Vivid Sydney 2025, because that's where the food is. That's where we cook on flames in the same way as we've been doing for thousands of years. And we're bringing in loads of First Nations ingredients and celebrating them all 23 days of the festival.
Don't forget to like and share this with someone who needs to see the magic.